How to hide photos on an iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to hide photos on an iPhone. So first of all, just simply open the photos in your iPhone, and after that, in order to hide the photo, just simply select the one that you would want to hide. For example, I want to hide this particular photo right here. You just need to click on the three dot menu icon from the right hand side of the right hand side corner of the screen, and over here you have this option which says hide. Just simply tap on it, and it says that this photo will be hidden but can be found in the hidden album. You can choose to show or hide the hidden album in settings. So yeah, so in order to hide it, just simply click on hide photo, and there you go. Now your photo has been hidden from your photos app. And in order to access that particular photo, all you have to do is just simply come back, click on this collection section, and just scroll down. And over here you have different options, and in under the utilities section you have this option which says hidden photo. Just simply click on view album, and over here you have this picture right here. So this is basically how you will be able to hide photos on an iPhone. I hope you find this video to be helpful.